So, procrastination. The 5 things I told, the 5 reasons I told. One is the big task. Don't fight with the mountains. If you want to fight with mountain, procrastination is going to be happen. Your brain won't be ready to take that risk. So tomorrow we will do, day after tomorrow we will do like divide that mountain into small, small stones. Fight with the stones. At least 2 minutes action. I want to do a small activity only. I want to fight with a small stone only, not with mountain. Then it's going to create momentum. Okay. The second one, fear of failure. Don't use the word, definitely I'm going to succeed. Once I attended interview, definitely I have to get the job. Definitely I have to get 100%. All these things are nonsense. Do the things just like an experiment. You may fail, no problem. Learn and then continue again. Okay? Because some people are having fear of failure. Because of that, they are procrastinating the things. Next, the third one, wait for perfect time. Perfect time is a trap. Perfect time is a trap. Perfect time creates problems. Remember that. There is no perfect time. Start today only. At least 2 minutes. At least 2 minutes. Okay? So next, present time is an opportunity. Perfect time is a trap. Next, the fourth one, lack of clarity. So if you are thinking about only vicious kind of thing, there is no use at all. I want to become rich. My business has to grow. I want to get good marks. All these things are your desires. All these things are your wishes. Convert those things into actions. Okay, action. Okay, attracts. So task, convert into actions. You record, convert actions. Then you can do the things. Otherwise, just only vicious kind of thing, it is going to attract procrastination because you are not having the clarity. Convert your wish into actions. That thing must be required. Distractions and low value tasks. Don't waste your valuable time on low value activities. Because if you are going to do low value activities only, like scrolling the mobile or doing low value activities, then your main activities are going to be postponed. Then your growth also is going to be postponed, is going to be delayed. Okay, these are the 5 reasons for your procrastination. Any activity, why you are procrastinating, identify the reason, use the best medicine, and then come out of that. But procrastination is there in your body, in your brain, success won't be there. Whatever you are going to touch, even you are going to touch is the gold. If you touch the gold, it will become rock. It will become stone. If the procrastination is not there, if you are action-oriented person, then obviously you are going to touch the rock, it will become gold. Because you are the working person, man, action-oriented person.